Received a comment from one of my students requesting for a simple worship breakdown on bass guitar, and I was thinking of a song I can do this breakdown on. I now realize that giving him a single song is not reliable, so I have to give him some tricks or some bass licks. It's better I do a simple bass lick breakdown that could be for the benefit of everyone out there. So in this lesson, I'm going to share with you some popular bass lick that even the pro plays during worship. So I'm going to share it using a simple step-by-step beginner approach that you too can play exactly what I just played. Okay, I feel this will be more reliable compared to just play a single song and then what next after playing that song. So it's better I explain some licks you need to apply. So if that sounds interesting to you, then ensure you watch these lessons to the end. Try this, drop your comment at the comment section down below, then share this video with friends and it could be of help to them. Okay, so for the purpose of this lesson, we'll be using key D. Before I break down these bass licks and run, let me share the basics progression of what I just played from the beginning of this lesson. Ti, la, sol, do, fa, sol, la, re, sol, do, ti, la, sol, do, fa, sol, la, re, sol. Bass fills number one. Instead of just playing do, ti, mi, la, sol, do, fa, you can add up some fills to enhance this bass line, like do, ti, mi, la, si, sol, re, sol, do, fa. Or you can try something like do, ti, mi, sol, do, la, si, sol. Bass fills number two, which I want you to apply to this worship, is do, la, do, ti, mi, sol, do, la, do, la, do, ti, la, do, ti, la, do, ti, do, re, mi, fa, sol, la, do, ti, do, la, do, ti, sol, do, la, sol, do, fa. Let's look at the final bass lick and fills. Okay, do, la, do, ti, mi, sol, do, la, mi, la, si, sol, re, sol, do, fa, mi, sol, do, la, mi, la, re, sol. Alright, thank you you for watching these lessons to the end. If you're a new viewers, I welcome you to Great Moses Music Academy. And if you find this lesson helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe to this channel, drop your amazing comment and feedback. And if you're a returning subscriber, thank you for being part of our academy. I celebrate you. God bless you. Also check out this lesson. Thank you.